Are you looking for maintenance-free living? Then check out Turnpointe Woods Senior Condominiums and enjoy your life at ease. The 2-bedroom, 2-bath home is complete with everything that you need for both comfort and convenience. Thoughtful details such as oversized doorways will accommodate for furniture and potential future access needs. This model home has been upgraded with beautiful custom cabinets and interior doors, as well as oversized windows that fill the inside with natural light. The 35 condominiums share a community clubhouse with great features such as an exercise room, kitchen, and gathering area with seating for large parties. Surrounded by nature and conveniently located off of Moeller Road in New Haven, these homes are the perfect mix of privacy while not straying far from the city. With snow removal and lawn maintenance covered by the association dues, you can spend more time relaxing and doing things you enjoy. You must see this friendly, serene community for yourself. The new minimum age for this community is 55, so come and appreciate the luxury that these condos offer at an affordable, forever home price. Call Amy Allison for more information.